babe.
There you go, love.
Give me another paper, because that was fucked.
Guess what?
What?
I'm fucked.
I know you
Money,
are.
I've got him here.
Go.
I'm not gonna write you
The love song there's been two, and they it too. Guess what?
What?
Fucked.
Are you fuck Bufu?
I'm fucked. I don't wanna write you a love song.
Oh, you're here
don't-
then?
I don't-
Wanna... Oh, thank you.
I mean, who the fuck are you? Seriously, for fuck's sake, I've had
Fucking hell.
I've had better fucking reunions with chlamydia than you.
Shut.
No, thank you.
Why? I'm being a dick.
I said yeah,
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 motherfucker.
you are.
Do you know what green means?
Yeah.
If I can smoke it. How much do I smoke green, eh?
I'd say a fair bit, Bufu.
Oh.
Are you making love to my camera, Bufu?
No, but honestly, how much do you reckon I smoke green?
About as much as you wipe your dick, which is probably once every 2 million years.
Fucking oath. I need a joint
I'm not
right
gonna
now.
write you a love
Who
song.
are you? Why are you bending over?
Zoe?
If you're not gonna show me your boobs, then you go over there.
No, I'm gonna stay over here. Thank you very much.
Zoe,
Well, it's in that.
quick question. Do you want to have sex with Becca?
Of course I do. I love Becky to bits.
Yeah, Tinny.
More
Who the
than
fuck's
she actually
Tinny?
thinks.
Do you want it or
And
not?
I'm
Mushrooms in there as well, yeah?
Let's
Yeah,
be
well,
spending
Taboo.
your...
I
love you.
What? It's spending your attempt,
not
Tinny.
gonna write you a love song.
You love me like a fat kid loves cake.
Fucking oath.
Leave
Thought so as well.
Uh,
Can I roll myself one, Bufu?
I better say goodbye because
Yeah, of course.
Good night, mate.